Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you should insert SD card, and here you should insert SIM card, and then put it back into your device, just like this. As you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And to show you that SD card is also detected, we go to Files and see SD card appeared here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.